Hey guys, this is Tim Dawson with Mounts Automotive. Today I got a 2015 Jeep Cherokee. This Cherokee is a one owner. I'm going to walk you around and show you some features on it real fast. Here's a good shot of your rims and tires. No scrapes or scuffs on the rims. Plenty of tread left on the tires as well too. Now this Cherokee is also going to have the remaining of the factory warranty. Always nice to have too. This car is super clean inside and out. No rips or tears in the seats. No cracks or fading in the dash. Now you also have storage underneath your passenger seat as well too, so that cushion just flips up, gives yourself a little more room for storage there below. Shot of your back seat. No rips or tears in the back. Now this Jeep is also a non-smoker as well. There's no funny smells in the inside of it. And I actually personally drove this Jeep for 2 weeks. We all get a company car to drive, so I drove for about 2 weeks. Didn't have any problems with it at all. But if you do experience a problem, like I said, we are going to put a 30-day powertrain warranty on it, so we'll be able to help you out there. And you are going to have the remaining of your factory warranty as well. Now you are going to have a backup camera. Plenty of room back here for storage as well too. You can fold down your seats, give yourself a little more room too. Now you're also going to have remote start on this Jeep as well too. Yeah, this is a 2015 Jeep Cherokee, Carfax one owner. It's going to have the remaining of the factory warranty on it. We also have financing available. We have rates as low as 4.24. We also work with people that are trying to rebuild their credit as well too. Let's hop inside and look around a little more. Of course, you're gonna have power windows, power locks, automatic headlights on here. Again, no rips or tears in the seat. Got the nice touchscreen inside. You're gonna have heated seats on this car. You're also gonna have a heated steering wheel. Got the nice big touchscreen. As I mentioned earlier, this vehicle is all-wheel drive, so it is gonna be good in the winter time. You have some USB hookups down there below too. And you will have cruise control and Bluetooth. You'll be able to sync up your phone, make all your telephone calls. This car has an excellent radio. Sync your phone up, listen to all your music. Very nice. All right, this was a 2015 Jeep Cherokee, Carfax one owner. If you have any questions on this Jeep, feel free to give me a call or text at 309-310-3034.